Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. I'm thinking of experimenting a little bit. I can ensure that we will get to the desired answer, but I can't ensure what the score will be. But I just want to try it. So my idea is to make these three divs and all this color, like the orange like color, would be made up of borders alone. Let's begin. Okay, so let's give the common properties first. So the height width wouldn't be same for all, but the color, the background color would be same. So let's take this, paste, and we also need a position fixed for all of them. So position fixed. Now let's switch on the difference. Okay, first of all I'll go with the rectangle at the back side. So let's give it a width of around 200 and a height of maybe 100. Now let's first check where it should be. So top 100, yeah, 100 is correct. And as per the left, what's the value? So as per left, I'll give 100 again. No. Okay, I also have to increase the size. Let me first check the, yes, 90 and 220. So now what I'll do is I'll give it a border, and the border will be, first I'll give only border, so I'll give it of, let's say 100 pixels. I'll just adjust the left side according to that. So 100 pixels, solid, and this. Let's paste it. And we know we have to change the values accordingly. So minus 100, minus 10. And here I'll take it to 0. You'd be wondering how I got the values. Top was 100 and I'm giving a border of 100, so I can simply put a top at 0 and it will be at the correct location. That's why I first found the coordinates. Now what we have to do is we have to create two similar divs. You'd be wondering why I'm not making one and using box shadow on other. The border color couldn't be given that easily in that way, so I'm just making it simpler. So I'll give a value of maybe 100 and 100, and let's, like, we already have given a background, so I would say border, and the border is going to be, I would say, 10 pixels, and solid, this color, it's pasted. The value has to change, I know that, but for now let's just, so border radius is going to be 50% as an obvious thing. Now I'll give it the location. So top, I don't know, 100, and left also 100 maybe. I'm only giving to B, then why are both of them moving? We have to decrease the top, so maybe 50. I don't know why both of them are moving. C, top minus 10 maybe. I'll give it 100. Now let's give it value properly. So 110, 20, 30, 40. I have to change the sizes. So 90 and 90, and this may be 20. I have to increase the top. 60 and 70 and 20, 30, 40. You're almost there. Just the size is a little bit bigger than we need. So 80 and 80. Yeah, it's correct. Left value will be same for both, so let's keep the left value up there. So left will be 140 for both of them, and the top value would be, I think, also be 140. Seems right. Yeah, let's submit it. And it's 100% match. Now let's increase the score. So also we can try one thing, but let me first do this. Like, we can use the border color and border width property, which could potentially decrease the word count or character count. But no, it won't work as far as I know. We won't go that further, although I will increase the score this way. So let's submit it now. Should be around 650 or something. Yeah. So we have got a pretty good score. Let's check. Okay, the average score is far below us, and also the average characters are far more than we have used, even in the previous solution. So that's for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.